Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Gururam channel. I am going to teach 10th standard contents. Make use of it. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Thank you.
Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about exercise 2.6 sums. First one, find the sum. 3, 7, 11 etc. up to 40 terms. Here A is 3, D equal to T2 minus T1, that is 7 minus 3 equal to 4, N equal to 40. Formula is Sn equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Therefore, S40 equal to, substitute the value for N, 40 by 2 into 2A, 2 into 3 plus N minus 1, 40 minus 1, 30, 90. So 40 by 2 is 20, 2 into 3, 6 plus 39 into 4. So 6 plus 39 into 4, 156, add it. 6 plus 156 equal to 162. Therefore, 20 into 162 equal to 3240. That is the answer. The sum 102, 97, 92 up to 27 terms. Here A equal to 102, D equal to T2 minus T1, that is 97 minus 102. Subtract and put the greater number sign, so minus 5. N equal to 27, therefore Sn equal to same formula, sum Sn equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. N is 27, so 27 by 2 into 2 into 102 plus 27 minus 1, 26 into minus 5. Therefore 27 by 2 into 2 into 102, 204, and 26 into minus 5, 6 5s are 30, 3, 2 5s are 10 plus 3, 130. So minus it, you get it 204 minus 130 equal to 74. Therefore 27 by 2 into 74, you cancel it 2 and 74. So you get it 37. So 27 into 37 equal to 999. Question 6 plus 13 plus 20 plus etc. 97. So here A equal to 6, D equal to T2 minus T1, that is 13 minus 6 equal to 7. L means last term, that is 9, T7. First we have to find the value of N. So that formula is N equal to L minus A by D plus 1. L is 97 minus 6 by 7 plus 1, that is 91 by 7 plus 1. So cross multiply with the 7. 7 ones are 7. So 91 plus 7 by 7. 98 by 7. You cancel it with the 7. So you get it 14. So yes, N equal to here 14. So you use this formula also. Sn equal to N by 2 A plus L. So S14 equal to N is here 14 by 2 into 6 plus 97. 2 and 14 cancel with 2. So you get it 7. So 7 into 103 equal to 721. Many consecutive odd integers beginning with 5 will sum to 480. Here n sum Sn given, Sn equal to 480 and A is 5. Consecutive odd integers, odd means 1, 3, 5. Therefore D equal to T2 minus T1, that is 3 minus 1 equal to D equal to 2. Sn also given 480. What we have to find out? First we have to find out N. So for that, first use this formula. Sn equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Substitute Sn equal to 480. N by 2, 2 into 5 plus, we don't know N. So N minus 1 into 2. Next, N by 2, 2 into 5, 10. So multiply N into 2, 2N, minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Therefore 2N minus 2, 10 minus 2 equal to 8. 8 plus 2N. Next, 480 equal to N by 2 into 8 plus 2N. Cross multiple with 2 into 480 is 960. N into 8, 8n plus 2n into n, 2n square. So my that 8n plus 2n squared equal to 960. That 960 is in right hand side. It will come to the left. It sign will change. So minus 960. That is 2n squared plus 8n minus 960. Throughout the equation, divide by n, you get it n squared plus 4n minus 480. And factorize 24 into 220 is 480. So you write it n squared plus 24n minus 20n minus 480 equal to 0. After common, you take it n. So n plus 24. Here minus 20 into n plus 24. So you get it n minus 20 into n plus 24. Therefore n equal to plus 20 and minus 24. So number of terms cannot be negative. So therefore number of consecutive odd integers beginning with 5 will sum to 480 is only 20 only. Find the sum of first 28 terms on AP whose nth term is 4n minus 3. First number of terms 28. Here nth term, that is Tn equal to 4n minus 3. So you substitute n equal to 1. So T1 equal to 4 into 1 minus 3 equal to 4 minus 3 equal to 1. T2 equal to 5 and T3 equal to 9. So we get it A equal to 1, D equal to T2 minus T1, that is 5 minus 1 equal to 4. So what is the sum? 28. So S28 equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n equal to here 28 by 2 into 2 into a is 1. So therefore you put it to 2 plus 28 minus 1, 27 and d is 4. So 2 plus 27 into 4, 108. Add it, you get it 110. Therefore 14 into 110 equal to 1540. Therefore sum of 28 terms equal to 1540. Here first we will find out A and D. After we use the formula, you get the answer. Find the sum of first n terms of a certain series is given as 2n squared minus 3n. Show that the series is an AP. First Sn equal to 2n squared minus 3n. So n equal to 1, you substitute S1 equal to 2 into 1 squared minus 3 into 1 equal to 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1, that is T1 equal to A equal to minus 1. Next you find out S2, n equal to 2, 2 into 2 squared minus 3 into 2, that is 2 squared is 4, 2 into 4 8, 8 minus 6 equal to 2. Therefore T2 equal to S2 minus S1, that is 2 minus of minus 1 equal to 3. So what is D? T2 minus T1. Therefore 3 minus of minus 1, minus into minus plus, so 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So first we have to check it if it is an AP or not. So consider A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D etc. You substitute the value minus 1 plus 4 comma minus 1 plus 2 into 4. So A equal to minus 1 comma 3 comma 7. AP means what is the condition? D equal to T2 minus T1, that is common difference is equal for all. So 3 minus of minus 1 also 4, 7 minus 3 also 4. Therefore clearly this is an AP with A equal to minus 1 and D equal to 4. Therefore it is proved. 104th term and 4th term of an AP are 125 and 0. Find the sum of first 35 terms. First here T 104 equal to 125 given, T4 equal to 0 also given. So what is that formula? A plus n, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into T. So we have to find out D and A here. So first equate these two. So T104 means what? A plus 103D, n minus 1, 104 minus 1, that is 103D equal to 125. T4 means A plus 3D equal to 0. Change the sign, A minus A will cancelled, 103 minus D minus 3D equal to 100 and D equal to 125 minus 0, 125. D equal to 125 by 100. You cancel it with 25 table. So 5 25s are 125, 4 25s are 100. So 5 by 4. So you have to substitute this D value in any equation, that is A plus 3D. So A plus 3 into 5 by 4 equal to 0. A plus 3 5s are 15 by 4 equal to 0. A equal to minus 15 by 4. Next, we have to find out the sum. Sum formula Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here n equal to 35. So 35 by 2 into 2 into a is minus 15 by 4 plus n minus 1, that is 35 minus 1, 34 into 5 by 4. Cancel it with 2. So 2 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, and 34 and here 34 plus here 2 2s are 4, 34, 2 17s are 34. So you cancel and you get it 35 by 2 into minus 15 by 2 plus 85 by 2. Denominator same means you have to add. So 85 minus 15 is 70. So 35 by 2 into 70 by 2. So here also you cancel it with 2 table, you get it 35. Therefore 35 into 35, 1225 by 2, 612.5. That is the sum. Sn S35 equal to 612.5. Find the sum of all odd positive integers less than 450. So, sum of all odd positive integers here less than 450. So, how will you write it in equation here? 1, sum of all odd positive. Odd means 1, 3, 5. Sum means plus. So, 1 plus 3 plus 5 less than 450 means what is the odd number? 459. First you find out this one. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. 449. Here A equal to 1, D equal to T2 minus T1, that is 3 minus 1 equal to 2. L also given, that is 449. If L given means you have to find out the N with this formula, L minus A by D plus 1. Therefore 449 minus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 448 by 2 plus 1, that is 224 plus 1 equal to 225. We have to find out the sum. Therefore Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus L. S225 equal to 225 by 2 into 1 plus 449, that is 450. 2 and 450 cancel it with the 2, you get it 225. Therefore 225 into 225 equal to 50,625. Sum of all natural numbers between 602 and 902 which are not divisible by 4. So first we have to find out that natural numbers between 602 and 902, that sum. So we will find A equal to 602 after 3, 603, 902 before 901. So A equal to 603, L equal to 901, D equal to T2 minus T1, that is 604 minus 603 equal to 1. So you find out n equal to L minus A by D plus 1 using the formula. You find out n equal to 299. Therefore here Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus full. You use this formula, you get it 2,24,848. That is the number between a natural number 602 and 902, that Sn equal to this 2,24,848. We will find sum of all natural numbers between 602 and 902 which are divisible by 4. So for that, to make 602 divisible by 4, we have to add 2. So that number is divisible by 4. Therefore, A equal to 604. For L, that is, to make 902 divisible by 4, subtract 2 from 902. So we get it L equal to 900. So A equal to 604, that is T1. T2 equal to 608, that is T2 minus T1, 608 minus 604, D equal to 4. Therefore, we use the formula n equal to L minus A by D plus 1. Therefore, 900 minus 604 by 4 plus 1, that is 296 by 4. You cancel with the 4. You get it 74 plus 1 equal to 75. What is the sum formula? Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l. You substitute the value S75. You get it 56,400. That number is sum of all natural numbers between 602 and 902 which are not divisible by 4 means first we get it one answer, that is 2,24,848 minus 56,400. We get it 1,68,448. Who wish to buy a laptop? He can buy it paying rupees 40,000 cash or by giving it in 10 installments. As rupees 4,800 in the first month, 4,750 second month, 4,700 third month. So, and so on. If he pays the money in this, find total amount paid in 10 installments. First option. Second one, how much extra amount that he has to pay than the cost. So 10 installments first month. So sum 4,800 plus 4,750 plus 4,700 goes on. So 10 installments. So last n equal to 10 installments. A 4,800, D T2 minus T1 minus 50. So first you find out sum. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is n? 10. So 10 by 2 into 2 into 4,800 plus 10 minus 1 9, 9 into minus 50. Therefore 10 by 2 into 5. 10 by 2 cancel, 5 you get it. 2 into 4,800, 9,600 minus 450. 9,150. Multiply 45,750. Paid in 10 installments. That is the first option answer. 45,750 amount paid in 10 installments. What is the next question? Extra amount paid equal to amount paid in 10 installment minus cost of the laptop. So 45,750 equal to 40,000. That is the amount of laptop. So you extra amount paid 5,750. That is the answer. And repays a loan of rupees 65,000 by paying rupees 400 in the first month and then increasing the payment by rupees 300 every month. How long will it take for him to clear the loan? That is the question. Loan amount 65,000. So installments, first month 400, increase the payment 700 means first month 400, second month 700, next 300, 1000, it goes on. So our equation get 400 plus 700 plus 1000 plus 1300 plus etc. So here A equal to 400, D T2 minus T1 700 minus 400 300. Here Sn also given 65,000. So we will find out here what? N. So Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to Sn also given 65,000. So you substitute the value, you get it n by 2 into 400 plus n minus 1 into 300. So next by 2, that 2 will go to the right hand side, it will multiply, therefore 1,30,000 we get it. N into what? 2 into 400, 800 plus 300, n minus 300. Therefore 800 minus 300, 500. So n into 500 plus 300, n equal to 1,30,000. Through n multiply. So n 500 n plus 300 n squared equal to 1,30,000. So cancel with divide by 100, you get it 3n squared plus 5n minus 1,300 equal to 0. Factorize the sum, you get it minus 3,900. So factorize with, you get it what? Minus 20 and 65 by 3, that is n minus 20 into 3n plus 65 equal to 0, n equal to 20, n equal to minus 65 by 3. Therefore, n equal to 20 because number of terms should not be negative. So, he will take 20 months to clear the loans. Of 30 steps, the bottom step require 100 bricks. Each successive step requires 2 bricks less than the previous step. First, we have to find out the equation, that is 100 plus 9 bricks, 2 bricks less than previous step. So 98, 96, 94. How many steps? 30 steps. So first we will find out this. So here A equal to 100, D equal to T2 minus T1, that is 98 minus 100 minus 2, n equal to 30. Therefore first we will find out Sn. Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore S30 equal to 30 by 2 into 2 into 100 plus 30 minus 1, 29 into D is minus 2. So 30 by 2, 15 into 200 minus 58, 142. So S30 equal to 2130. And T30 equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. That is 100 plus 29 into minus 2, 100 minus 58 equal to 42. So first answer, number of bricks required for the top step is 42. Number of bricks required to build the staircase 2130. S2, S3, etc. Sm or the sums of n terms of APs whose first term are 1, 2, 3, etc. m and whose common differences 1, 3, 5, etc. 2m minus 1. Then show that S1 plus S2 plus S3, etc. Sm equal to 1 by 2 into mn plus 1. First term is 1. So here D is 1. Number of terms n. So sum of n terms, S1 equal to, you substitute the value Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. You get it n by 2 into 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 1. That is 2 minus 1, 1. Therefore, S1 equal to n by 2 into n plus 1. Like that, S2 equal to n by 2 into 4 plus 3n minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. N by 2 into 3n plus 1. S3 equal to n by 2 into 6 plus 5n minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. N by 2 into 5n plus 1. So Sm equal to n by 2 into 2m plus 2mn minus 2m minus n plus 1. So you take common. 2m minus 2m will cancel and n common 2m minus 1 plus 1. So you add S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus etc. Sm means n by 2 into S1, n by 2 common. So first one n plus 3n plus 5n plus etc. 2m minus 1 into n plus m into 1. So here n you take it common, n into 1 plus 3 plus 5 etc. That is 2m minus 1 plus 1. This is n by 2 into a plus 12, these terms. So you substitute that formula n by 2. So here m by 2 into a is 1 and L is 2m minus 1. So 2m minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 will cancel plus m. So m by 2 into 2m, so 2 cancel. So we get it m squared n plus m. Here also you take mn common. So you get it off into mn plus 1. That is proved. Clear? Find the sum a minus b by a plus b plus 3a minus 2b by a plus b plus 5a minus 3 by a plus b, etc. to 12 terms. So first we have to take common 1 by a plus b. So into a minus b plus 3a minus 2b plus 5a minus 3b plus etc. 12 terms. Here A is what? A minus B by A plus B. D equal to T2 minus T1, that is 3A minus 2B minus A minus B by A plus B. So 3A minus A 2A minus 2B plus B minus B. Therefore D equal to 2A minus B by A plus B. You substitute with this formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute the value. N is 12, 12 by 2, 2 into A value substitute plus n minus 1 into D is 2A minus B by A plus B. So 12 by 2 is 6, A plus B you take it in the denominator. So to multiply with the 2A minus 2B plus n minus 1 into 2A minus 2B. That is 22A. N minus 1 is what? 11. 11 into 2A minus B, that is 22A minus 11B. So simplify 2A plus 22A, 24A minus 2B minus 11B minus 13B by A plus B. Therefore, the answer is 6 into 24A minus 13B by A plus B. So thank you students. Next exercise we will see in the next class.